Is it possible to force Pandas not to convert data type when using DataFrame.replace? Here's a working example. df.replace, column. Raises an overflow error because somewhere in the code the convert flag is set to true. I am not sure, but it is probably because Pandas is inferring that it only contains numbers. I read the data from an Excel workbook and I want to prevent this conversion when using df.replace. Is there a way to do so?
How about this? This will apply .replace only to columns of a string, object, dtype.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.